Hello friend, welcome back. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can quickly generate the native Playwright locators by something like getByRole, getByID, etc. just in a single simple click. So just open the page in which you want to generate for any element here. What you have to do, simply open DevTools and open SelectorsHub there in DevTools. If you don't have, you can install the SelectorsHub and you can use it. Just open SelectorsHub here. By default, it will be showing a standard. Here you click on Playwright and now you see that Playwright locators are there. Simply inspect any element here and you will see that getByRole with different syntax and everything, whatever possible, that it will automatically generate. You can click on copy and use it in your script. If you want to add it and verify anything, just click on this, just click on the locators here and hit enter. It will show the matching node. If you want to change anything, you can of course like add it and everything, you can do that. If there will be any issue, any error in your locator, it will highlight that this is invalid locator and what is missing in that, so that also you can fix. So this is how you can quickly generate the Playwright locator for any element. If that element will be inside Shadow DOM or anything, that everything it will take care. So like it is letting you know that this is inside Shadow DOM, and it, or like in Playwright, there is nothing required extra thing. You directly use this and it will work. If any element will be SVG or inside iframe, that also it will take care and you don't have to worry about that. Like if I show you, here is the iframe scenarios, so that also it will automatically handle. Like simply you have to open SelectorsHub and inspect the element here like this, and you see that the frame locator along with the element locator, everything it used to take care here. So that also automatically quickly handle. You just inspect if that will be inside 1 frame, 2 frame, or any 10 frame and number of frames, everything will be taken care here. Also, if you want to like by default it will be generating with JavaScript, for JavaScript or TypeScript. If you want it for Java or Python, that also you just change the language here, like Java you want for Java. So now you just inspect the element and here it will generate for the Java. So syntax and everything will be automatically taken care. If you want with Python, you select Python here and then you can start inspecting element and it will work like. You don't have to worry about anything that you will have to change this setting every time. You just, now if you close and next time when you will open, it will open with that setting. So you don't have to change that again and again. Simply you see that Playwright and Python and you can start inspecting the element. It will be working like. If you don't want to open SelectorsHub here in DevTools, simply click on the SelectorsHub logo. It will open here, very smooth, very easy. And now you use SelectorsHub inspector here to inspect any element and you see that you are able to generate the locator. You can see. So this is how you can generate the Playwright locators in SelectorsHub natively, and you don't have to do anything extra. The way you were using SelectorsHub, you can do that, and all the possible Playwright locators it will be generating. You go to any page, you can close this and just inspect the element and it will generate the locators for that inspected element. It will highlight and everything, the way SelectorsHub was working, it will be keep working like that way. If you don't have SelectorsHub, just go to SelectorsHub homepage and from there you will find the SelectorsHub download link. You can see that already like more than 400k testers already using it. It's a 5-star rated tool, so you can just simply install it in your browser and then you can start using it. It's pretty simple. If you like it, please give us a 5-star rating and share it with others so that other people get to know. If you want to learn more about all the features of SelectorsHub, please check out this tutorial here in Chrome Store, also in our YouTube channel. That way you will learn all the features of SelectorsHub. If you have any question, any doubt, do let us know in the comment section. We will be more than happy to help you. And also check out our other tools which will be more helpful for you to save more time and boost your productivity. Thank you. Thank you so much. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also check out these awesome informative videos and keep watching more videos on SelectorsHub channel. Thank you.